Okay, Juliana, this is for you and Kai and Aslan, and I just want to show you that inside a tree that stands outside of our kitchen door, okay, these are the steps you guys came up when you were at our house. Out there's the garage and the driveway. Right here is this tree, and there is the neatest bird nest. Now I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not, but in there are probably at least 3 birds. They're not robins. I'm not sure what kind they are, although I've seen something like a sparrow or a starling come in here. But they don't get fussed up and hungry like what robins would open their mouths every time there's a motion. They're just sitting in there quietly. Can you see them? See their eyes. Cool. Do you have any bird nests that you can see in trees at your house there in Cambodia?